guys and gals, welcome to this episode of Gearheadgirl. Today we are going to be unboxing this wall climber. I'm excited about this. I don't know if you're excited about this. I'm pretty excited. Supposedly, this little car here goes up walls. So, anyway, we're going to be doing the unboxing of this wall climber. Which you get, it says it's the first wall climbing car that drives on any surface. Supposedly, this little car can drive on the ceiling. That's exciting. So we'll go ahead and get started. So when you take it out, it's pretty simple. You just get a controller and a car. And a little booklet. Your booklet. It's pretty short. There's nothing even on the back, so that's that. And then literally just the car and a controller. So go ahead, pop this out here. So it looks like we're going to need a little screwdriver to get the screw off and open that. Okay, cool. So you've got this interesting bottom part here. So go ahead, get that screw undone. And get started. So if you have like an eyeglass repair kit or something, that probably have a screwdriver in it. So it's just this tiny little screw. That there. Open it up. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need 6 AA batteries that do not come in the kit, so that should be noted. All it comes is the controller and the car. You need 6 AA batteries. So here's what's in the box. So you get your car and controller and installation guide. The batteries are not included. Troubleshooting guide. Pretty nifty. You can see the underside of it. Kind of get an idea for how that works there. And then you've got your controller, little switches left and right, and then back here, removed the back, removing this one little screw, goes right there. So just to note, those batteries are not included with the wall climber, so there are no batteries included in this pack. You're gonna have to go and obtain 6 AA batteries and put them in accordingly. Now we have our 6 batteries not included installed, and we'll just put the cover back on and screw it in. Alright, so now that that's all done, we're going to come to the front and slide this back piece off here to get to the charger and plug it into our car. You can see back here is where your charge port is going to plug into. We have plugged in our car according to our instructions here. Both the switches need to be all the way to the right, which they are, and it appears to be charging. Alright, it's been about half an hour and our charge light has gone off, so we're going to go ahead and unplug this and tuck that back in there and give this a go. So to make sure you've got the car and the remote on the same channel, there's 3 channels, so we'll go ahead, try it on floor. So here we'll set this one to B. Nope. Power on. Go try it out on the floor. work? I'd say so. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode where we unboxed our wall climber. Yay! Wall climber. This thing's pretty cool, right? If you would like your product featured on this channel, go ahead, get in touch with me with the link below in the description. So go ahead, hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and hit the subscribe button for more videos with unboxing, product reviews, and Gearheadgirl related content. Alright, thanks guys. Catch you next time. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and like and comment if you enjoyed this video. If you want to be awesome and provide support for better content, click on the Patreon link in the description below. Check us out online at gearheadgirl69.com or GHG2NZ.com, or follow us on Instagram and TikTok at Gearheadgirl69.